Another posture that comes in Surya Namaskar sequence is Phalakasana. Now, there is a difference in this posture. As I told you, there are so many different Surya Namaskar sequences, not one. And this one is specific to Myrus Yoga. I have put this posture in after Asvasanchalanasana, which was the previous recording. If you can go back and check. After Asvasanchalanasana, usually the mainstream yoga sequence for Surya Namaskar is to come to Parvatasana. But I have put Phalakasana as a transition towards Parvatasana because most people do not have the strength of the arms or the awareness of their own physical body to understand where the legs are. So this body awareness building is very important for a beginner. If you are a beginner to yoga, if you are just starting yoga, first of all you need to understand where your left leg is, where your right arm is, where your big toe on the left side is. So when in classes, when I ask beginners to show me your left shoulder, they sometimes get confused because building body awareness has not happened in their life. After they become adults, they are mostly seated or they are walking or they are sleeping and their physical body is not active. So first thing is to build body awareness, and that's why I have put Phalakasana as a transition before we come to the mainstream posture, which is Parvatasana or Adho-Mukha Svanasana, which will be the next episode. Phalakasana is plank pose. Plank pose is the high plank that you usually know and have seen, and maybe you do it already. So in Phalakasana, you build the strength of the upper body and the awareness of the lower body. You know where your legs are so that for the next posture, it's easier for you to come to. So let's see how to do Phalakasana. Phalakasana is plank pose. It's the same high plank that you do at a gym. In Sanskrit, it's called Phalakasana. Remember the 5 elements: Bandha, Drishti, breathing, friction point and alignment. In Phalakasana, the most important is alignment. So let's see how to align your body into Phalakasana. First of all, your palm should be right below your shoulders. So check your, not actually the palm, the wrist. The wrists should be right below your shoulders and your legs should be where they end when you align your hands like this. And engage, now we are talking about the bandhas. Once you get this alignment, press down with the fingertips, press down with the toe tips. What are they called? Hasta bandha and pada bandha. Then engage your glutes, squeeze your glutes and engage your stomach. Also know that if you lift your hips up, just because you can't give some body weight to your arms, then the pose is wrong. You need to bring the hips down to the level of your shoulders and keep your body in one line. And that is Phalakasana. And your drishti should be Nasagraha. Nasagraha means you are looking right in front of the nose. So you look forward, press the palms and the toes down, engage the core, squeeze the glutes and start breathing in Ujjayi breath. And release. Come down with your knees. So there is no friction point in this pose. Only 4 elements: Bandha, Drishti, breathing and alignment. When you do Phalakasana properly, it's very easy for you to come to the next posture, which is mountain pose, Parvatasana or Adho-Mukha Svanasana.